Hello friend, in this video you will learn that how to combine two images in Blender. This is magnifying glass and this is flower. I have combined these two image and this is output. You can also notice that it has also glass effect. First we have to check image properties because we need its resolution. So this is image, right click on properties and width is 1000 pixel and height is 1000 pixel. So in Blender we have to click on this output properties and we have to change its resolution. So x is width, so tap here 1000 and y is height, so tap here 1000. Now switch to movie, click on this arrow and select here movie clip editor and click on this open, and we have to open magnifying glass first. So this is magnifying glass, and we have to also open flower. So click on this flower and just open this, select here magnifying glass, and we have to switch to masking mode. So click here and change marks, and now click on add, select here circle, press G to move freely, and just press S to scale like this. Press G, then press S to scale like this. Okay. Now change its name, that is circle. You can rename this whatever you want. Now click on compositing. Click on this, check this use node and delete this render node. Press Shift A and search here movie clip. Okay. Now select this node holding Control Shift, then click on this movie click and click on this arrow, select here magnifying glass, click on view and select here fit. Now press Shift A and search here alpha over and just drag between these two nodes. Now select this movie clip. Now press Shift D, then just move like this. Connect this point with this second point and select here flower. So select here flower. Now press Shift A and search here mask. Connect this point with this point. But the problem is this, we have to select here marks first, and we can notice that there is no any flower because we have to change its position. Okay, so press Shift A and search here transform. Now you can move on x-axis. Okay, you can see that it is moving on x-axis when you change its value, and also you can move on y-axis. You can experiment with different value, But for this video, x value is minus 187 and y value is 167. Also, we have to change scale value, that is 0.525. Okay, now we have to give glass effect. So we need math node. So press shift A and search here math, and we have to change here divide, and you can experiment with different value, but you can notice that it has glass effect now. So for this video I have keep 0.85 value and just click on this. Sorry, yeah, no, this is value, that is 1.25, and just connect this image with this alpha over images point, and now click on this render and click on this render images. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe this channel.